welcome to today's game. I'm Clive Tilsley. With me in the commentary box is Andy Gray.
Well, thanks, Clive, and I really can't wait for the start of this match.
There was not much between these two teams last time out, and although the away team won by the narrowest of margins, it doesn't mean they're going to do it again. Do you think they'll complete a double?
Well, they could, and I think there's a distinct possibility, but the home side will fancy the chances because they are at home.
Kick-off time couldn't come soon enough. This has got all the makings of a real match. He is one of those defenders who's sharp in the tackle. Might drive it in here, into the box. And there's the only goal!
Well, I've seen some great goals in my time, but that's right up there with the best. It's a stunning finish.
A goal scored with what's supposed to be his weaker foot, his swinger. And after 8 minutes of play, we have the game's first goal. Can he beat the keeper? A tackle he just had to make. They've got it away, they can organise themselves again now. Did well to win it there. This is a situation of some promise now. One back strongly. Managed to deal with it. He is a good header of the ball. They do deal well with those situations, don't they? Now look at this. Vital tackle. Well away. Trying to find a way through. Chance maybe for a break. He's knocked it into the box. Good header. Comfortable in possession. He got that ball away from the danger area. He's right through. Oh, yes!
Well, that's why he's so good. He's just deadly from there.
Isn't it strange how a game that you seem to have control suddenly starts to get away from you? The equaliser then. That makes it 1-1. Trying to come out with the ball. Playing his way out of trouble. Stop that before it could develop. It's easy looking down on the pitch. There's a lot less space than you think when you get down there. Taking the aerial route. He's a problem. pushing forward from the back. The team's drawing here then as we approach the break. Nobody could doubt the energy and commitment of these players today. Oh, he's stolen it back. Knocking it around nicely here. First half ends with a score 1-1.
Thing I hope that beginning of the second half, if we get a goal, then the game will open up and we'll start to see some football that these two, we know, can play.
Working the ball well. That's pretty solid defending. Good defending. Can he deliver? Can he beat the keeper? It wouldn't have been the first time he'd scored from there.
Well, chances like that don't come along too often in the game, but when they do, you really have to take them. Golden opportunity.
Neatly on. It was a foul. The referee's given a free kick, but is that as far as it goes? That's the end of his night. Shocking tackle, had to be a red. He fancies it. That could go out of the ground, it's so wild.
Well, I don't want to be too critical, but that was an awful free kick.
Can he finish? It's a penalty. As clear-cut a penalty as you will see. Got the tackle from behind all wrong.
And just what they didn't want to give away here, Clive.
You'd expect him to be a cool penalty taker. Scores. Confident penalty. Low and accurate. No hope for the keeper.
Well, you know what you say, any doubt, just hit it straight.
Es war zu subtil.
Just a goal in it then. It's 2-1 here. Collected by the defender. Once he's got the ball, he doesn't want anybody else to have it. Keeper blocked it. And the manager has made his first change of the night. And that's...
Give me the song and I'll sing it like I mean it. Give me the words and I'll say them like I mean it. 'Cause you got my heart.
punches it clear from the corner. Got a cross in, clearing header. Excellent long ball. The ball is out for a throw and some possibilities here. Fresh pair of legs on the field then, their second change of the game.
Well, that's what makes a good...
I think it was the assistant on the far side who flagged. It's definitely a foul.
Well, they couldn't have wished for a better position to strike this free kick from.
That, I believe, was their last available substitution.
Well, I know I'm not his manager, but I would not have made that change. This kid's played well today. I can't believe he's going off.
Going for goal. Unable to get a hold of the ball.
I think that was a fabulous opportunity, but they haven't made the most of the free kick.
Nicely done. They've stood off him. Oh, it's there, a cracker!
Well, there's a classic example. It's never easy to play against a side with fewer players. That's what I mean. Great goal. It showed some wonderful character.
That evens things up here. It's anybody's game now. This is turning into quite a game. 2-2 it is now. It's a sort of play you can barely take your eyes off. Oh, no, he's got to come all the way back. The linesman's flag, it's offside.
Well, I'll tell you something, Clive. That's one of those decisions that could go either way.
It's a fine header. The keeper was having that. And thrown out by the keeper. Past the defender. He'll chance it. It's gone wide. I think he might have done a bit better there.
Oh, it's a wonderful opportunity. Absolutely wonderful. But the really best players will take these opportunities, and he hasn't there.
Close controls, just a joy to behold. Can he score? And that's hit the post. So 3 minutes of stoppage time to be played. Showed good vision there. Good vision or good luck. Real fluency about this move. Chance to score. Oh, he's really oh, it's got in!
Well, that's a very important goal for this team. They've needed that and they've worked hard for it.
They've got a lead in the game now, something to build on.
Well, these defenders really are a collective tower of strength.
There's the final whistle, and it will be another happy trip home. What a run they're on at the moment.